Hello everyone, welcome to the next episodes of Wisdom Bytes. In today's Wisdom Bytes, my topic is about anti-inflammatory diet. So before I move on into what is an anti-inflammatory diet, let me tell you what is an inflammation. So inflammation naturally occurs in our body because of the presence of infections, injuries, or it can be triggered by our immune system, which we call them as autoimmune disorders, as well as by allergies. So the main thing is that these inflammation can lead to certain types of cancers, which is chronic, as well as type 2 diabetes and some related to heart diseases as well. So in order to reduce these conditions, we need to have a diet which is related to to reduce the inflammation, and for that diet we call them as anti-inflammatory diet. Now what is this anti-inflammatory diet? So it is a diet where it suppresses or reduces the inflammation that is occurring in our body. Now what are the food that are rich in anti-inflammatory property? One is oily fish like mackerel, sardines, salmons, tuna, etc. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. So these oily fishes helps in reducing the inflammation in our body. One is that. Second thing is green leafy vegetables. So it could be like spinach, it could be like kale and any other green leafy vegetables. All these vegetables are loaded with a good amount of various nutrients as well as antioxidants. Next is berries such as strawberries, cranberries, then you have blueberries, etc. And these berries are loaded with antioxidants and tremendously they will help in reducing the inflammation. Next, what you can have is nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, then chia seeds, sabja seeds, sunflowers, etc. These are loaded with healthy fats and rich in fibers. And next, what you can have is whole grains instead of the polished version. You can have unpolished ones such as brown rice. You can have oatmeals. You can have quinoa. All these are rich in healthy fats as well as loaded with fibers, which is very much supportive to our gut microbes. Next, what you can have is spices like turmeric, you can have ginger and many other spices which are having this anti-inflammatory properties. So these are the food that you can consume in anti-inflammatory diet. And which are the foods that we can avoid or we can limitize? One is processed food such as packaged like chips or packaged items which are edible, and sugary drinks, then fast foods which are added with a lot of sugars and preservatives. One is that you can avoid. The other one that you can avoid is the red meat as well as its processed meat in terms of sausages, then bacons, etc. So you can limitize the intake of these, or you can avoid this completely when you're following this anti-inflammatory diet. So what are the benefits of having this anti-inflammatory diet? One is it reduces certain chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart diseases and certain types of cancers. One is that. Second thing is that it improves the individual's mental health and as well as cognitive functions. Next, it lowers the blood pressure. Next, one more benefit is that it improves the sleep as well as stress management, as well as it helps in improving the weight management. So these are the benefits. I hope you have understood about this diet. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.